Hi there, it's Toby from Ling Lam University, Hong Kong. And I'm very excited to introduce you to CineSim, the cutting-edge simulation software that is going to revolutionize the way you bring your creative ideas to life. Developed by our team at Ling Lam University with Unreal Engine 5. CineSim lets you visualize your creative visions in a 3D photorealistic environment. So as long as you have an RTX graphic card, you can experience the full power of CineSim. So, what is CineSim? CineSim is ultimate user-friendly software that is designed to be straightforward and easy to use. So no matter what skills level you are, you can experiment with different lighting setups and camera angles to create the perfect shot. Plus, you can design sets and locations and see how they will work on screen or in a 3D environment that is just so photorealistic. So with CineSim, the possibilities are endless. Whether you are a filmmaker, designer, or just someone with a creative visions, CineSim has everything you need to make your ideas come to life. With over 2,000 assets available and 15 pre-built scenes for you, you can create stunning scenes that accurately depict your creative visions. Or best of all, you can do it with ease thanks with CineSim's user-friendly design. We have designed CineSim to be as user-friendly as possible. The interface is intuitive, so you can get started right away, no matter what your skill level is. And if you need help, our support team is always here for you. So just drop us an email and you will get a response quickly from us. We'll be releasing a series of 9 more videos, 4 of them are about how to use CineSim, and the rest are about cinematography knowledge and design. So whether you're a pro or a beginner, be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up with date with all the latest release. So there you have it, CineSim, the ultimate simulation software that lets you bring your creative visions to life. And thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you create with CineSim. And let's meet you in the next video.